The Handbid app was designed to be mobile-friendly and intuitive for bidders. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough of what to expect when you use the Handbid app. First, launch the app. You'll need an email and cell phone number to log in. Once you log in, you may find yourself on a list of auctions. These are organized by name and date, or you can even browse a map to find one in a particular place. If you are at an event and you have a link sent to you by the auction host, you can bypass this list entirely by clicking on the link, which will take you directly to their auction. From here, swipe right to left to enter the auction. If your device is new to Handbid, you'll be asked to enable notifications. Selecting yes allows Handbid to send push notifications so you can avoid these annoying texts. Next, you may see a sponsor or welcome message from the auction. Tap on Let's Get Bidding to get to your dashboard. The auction's dashboard is the main screen where a bidder spends their time. You can view the items you are winning, losing, or purchased. Auction-related information such as your paddle number is shown at the top. By clicking the plus icon next to the name, more auction details are available. Below Purchased is where you can find and buy tickets if the event has any. Tapping on this takes you to a list of tickets. Tap on a ticket to purchase it. When you're ready to buy, you can enter a discount code to reduce ticket costs if supplied with one. Once purchased, you will see a list of your tickets and guest tickets under the My Tickets tab. Here you can edit your guest's info, share a ticket, or even save it to your phone's wallet. Getting back to the auction, you'll find items by browsing or searching for them. Swipe right to left to browse by categories. When inside a specific category, tap on any item to pull up a detail screen and read more information. To browse other items in the category from the screen, just swipe left or right. To exit a category and view a different one, pull down on the gray tab in between the image and the item. This will put you back to the browse view where you can swipe to another category. For those opportunity seekers, the last category available shows all items with no bids. If you want to find a particular item, the search option lets you search by a particular item, keyword, or item code. Search by tapping the magnifying glass in the top right corner. You can also look up items by scanning a QR code. Display sheets at the auction normally have these. You just have to tap the QR code and scan with the app to view that item. And that wraps up the auction tab experience in the Handbid app. Now here's what it looks like to place bids. A user can place a regular bid or max bid. Max bids allow the bidder to have Handbid bid on their behalf up to an agreed upon maximum amount. Max bids are a handy way to set a target max price and then not have to monitor the item as closely. Max bid can always be removed if you change your mind. And you'll never pay more than one bid increment above the next highest bidder. And of course, you will never pay more than your maximum price set. If you are not ready to place a max bid, the regular bid allows you to bid on the item at a specific price. The minimum price is always shown, but you can increase your bid by hitting the plus symbol. Once you place a bid, Handbid will quickly tell you if it was a winning or losing bid. As the auction progresses, you can track the progress of that bid on the dashboard. To jump to your dashboard, just tap the circles at the top of the screen. No one wants to get outbid, but hey, it happens. Once outbid, your phone will vibrate, the screen turns pink, and a sound will play. Being alerted gives you the opportunity to immediately counterbid. If you're constantly getting outbid, you may want to think about placing a max bid on that item. The Handbid app has a real-time messaging tool that lets auction managers send out important notices, like when dinner is being served throughout the auction. Your event may also have donation opportunities. If they do, a donate button will appear at the top right of the screen. To place a donation, tap the button and a web page will pop up to complete your donation. Click on Back to the Auction at the bottom of the page to return to the app. Some auctions have items available for sale and you may notice that they don't have an option to bid. Instead, you will have the option of purchasing a quantity of them. All purchased items will appear on the dashboard under Purchases. Also, if any items are ultimately won at an auction, they become purchase items and appear in the Purchases section of the dashboard. In addition, any purchases will also appear on your invoice. If the auction ends, you will be taken to your invoice. Otherwise, you can view it at any time by going to the menu and selecting Invoices. On the invoice, a bidder will be able to pay their invoice in full either through Apple Pay or Google Pay, if it's configured on their phone, or more often by credit card on file with Handbid. When the auction closes, the manager often will set a countdown timer. When the timer is set, every bidder will be notified in the app and the timer will appear at the top of the screen. Handbid also allows a user to manage their own information and alerts. Under the menu is a profile where users can add a display name, add a credit card, or their shipping address. Just below the profile is alerts, where bidders can view all alerts sent to them. In addition, they can change how Handbid alerts them entirely: push, SMS, or mute, which means no alerts. The Handbid app is easy to use and provides a seamless auction experience for bidders. If there are any questions that come up, an app user can read through the FAQs in the support tab or ask their question directly in the app straight to Handbid. You have everything you need to step into easy bidding and provide the best guest experience. Download the Handbid app today.